In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload files to a Google Drive folder on a computer. First, open any web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, enter your Google account details to access your Drive. You'll land on your Drive home, where we'll create a shared space for uploads. Click the plus new button on the left and choose Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so collaborators know exactly what it's for. Then click Create. A good naming tip is to include the project name and the word Uploads so it's obvious at a glance. Your new folder will appear in My Drive. Next, right-click that folder and select Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can add files. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. Adding people directly sends them an invite and keeps access restricted to those addresses. If you prefer a more flexible approach, click Copy Link instead. That gives you a link you can send through email or chat to anyone who needs to contribute. Before you send anything, adjust permissions. Look for the permission drop-down next to the person's name or next to the link settings. Change it to Editor. Viewer can only see files, commenter can add comments, but Editor is a level that allows people to upload and manage files in the folder. If you're using the link, you can also choose whether the link is restricted to specific people you've added or set to anyone with the link. Choose the option that fits your privacy needs, then make sure it's set to Editor. When you're ready, click Done to save these settings. Now share the folder link with your collaborators or rely on the invitations you sent. Anyone who has editor access can upload files straight into that folder, which is great for collecting documents, photos, videos, or reports in one place. A quick note: editors can also modify or remove files inside the folder, so only grant editor access to people you trust. If you need tighter control later, you can return to the sharing settings and switch someone to viewer or commenter. That's all there is to it. You've created a dedicated folder, set the right permissions, and made it easy for others to upload to your Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.